Hi everyone, welcome back to another video in our CMS series. If you have been following along, you already know we have covered quite a few useful features of the software. Today we are diving into one of the most important and powerful section, the client module. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will be showing how this module can completely transform the way you manage your clients from tracking their tasks to handling documents and billing all in one place. Simple and easy. सो बेसिकली इस क्लाइंट मॉड्यूल को क्लाइंट्स को कैटेगरी वाइज मैनेज करने के लिए डिजाइन किया गया है। सो ये हमारा क्लाइंट मॉड्यूल है जहां पर आप अपने क्लाइंट के डाटा को सेव कर सकते हैं, उसे एडिट कर सकते हैं, डिलीट कर सकते हैं। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू सिंपली पुटिंग ऑल द डिटेल्स इन दिस फॉर्म। You can set a password as well for your client. Here I selected these categories for this client, simply clicking on the save, and here you go. So simply this client's data gets saved in this table. You can edit this data, you can delete the data from the action. You can view the data, you can change password, everything. So simply click on the client name and you will redirect it to this information. So this client is having all the categories. So simply we will understand all the categories one by one, like how we will use it. So basically, if you have registered a client GST, you can fill in all the relevant details here. Their basic registration info like GST IN, DOR, GST ID, GST email, and you can put the remark here as well. All saved under that particular client's profile. Here I am showing to you that how you can fill these details. So here I fill all the details and simply clicking on the save. So this data is getting saved. You can update the data as well as per your requirement. So in the case of tally work, when a client sends you their data to work on, you can record exactly when you received it by the date. So you can simply choose the entry type like कब डेटा रिसीव हुआ है, कब डेटा प्रोसेस हुआ है, आप उसे डेट के साथ मेंशन कर सकते हैं. So basically this makes it easier to track the tally related work by date, helping you stay on the top of deadlines and follow-ups. I'm simply filling all the details. So here I'm clicking on the save. So this data is get saved on this table. You can edit this data as well and you can delete it as well. Same for the date process. Next, we are moving into the company details. So basically, our system allows you to enter not just the basic company details but also additional info. For example, if the company has multiple branches or extra nodes, you can easily add them using the add line button, making it flexible and detailed. So now I'm showing you how to do this. Here I fill all the details like company name, CIN, DOI, address, and etc. I'm clicking on the save and this data is get saved. You can edit this as well. Now for the additional details, I'm filling all the details. Here I fill the details. Simply I'm clicking on the add line and this data is get saved. You can edit this data, you can delete this data as per your requirement. So now moving on to the income tax. Any income tax task that you have added from the day book will automatically appear under the client's profile in this section as the tasks are appearing. The same goes for the audit related tasks. So there is only one task currently. There is also a section called other where you can save any miscellaneous work that does not fit into the main categories and you can add remarks for clarity. And one of the most important part of the client module is the attachment section, which solves a very common problem, document management. Often clients give us documents in both hard and soft copies and it becomes difficult to keep track. Here you can upload and save all the documents related to that client, making it super easy to access and search them from anywhere. It is organized, searchable and remote friendly. Now I am going to show you that how you can manage the attachments. Simply click on the create new, put the attachment name. Suppose I am putting the document 1 and choosing the document. clicking on the save, and here you go. The document is saved. You can view it as well. You can search it as well. You can delete it as well. And now coming to the billing. So the system automatically creates a client-wise ledger based on the tasks added in the daybook. So you don't need to manually enter billing details. It generates the ledger as per the work done. And when you receive any payment from the client, you can add it on the credit entry section, which will instantly update the ledger. So overall, this module gives you a 360-degree view of every client's work, documents, billing, and payment, all in one place. It saves time, removes confusion, and brings complete clarity to your office operations. Here you can upload the document for the client, which will show in the client portal. These are the document list. So that's it for this video. I hope everything was clear and easy to understand. If you still have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the upcoming videos in the series. See you in the next one. Bye bye.